Scientists love inventing new units. It makes communication easier and more convenient. Imagine saying 0.000005 liters instead of 5 microliters, or 87,121,433 grams instead of about 87 tons. It's easy to see why we need new units. Some units allow us to measure very large distances. For example, in the field of astronomy, one such unit is the light year. But be careful. Even though the word year is in light year, it's not a unit of time, but a unit of distance. The light year is a unit that corresponds to the distance traveled by light in a vacuum in 1 year. Its symbol is Ly. Light is a wave that travels through space at great speed. In 1 second, light can travel up to 299,792 kilometers. This distance is equivalent to 30 million school buses in 1 second. Ready for more? In 1 year, light travels up to 9,460,730,472,581 kilometers. That's mind-boggling. Let's round it off by saying that 1 light year is equal to a distance of about 9,461 billion kilometers. To give you an idea of what that means, 1 light year is about 63,000 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. To convert light years into kilometers or kilometers into light years, we can use the cross-multiplication method. Let's take the Horsehead Nebula as an example. It's located about 14,192,000 billion kilometers from our planet. How many light years is that? We know that 1 light year is 9,461 billion kilometers, and that the nebula is 14,192,000 billion kilometers away. We can multiply 1 light year by 14,192,000 billion kilometers and divide by 9,461 billion kilometers. The distance between the Earth and the Horsehead Nebula is therefore about 1,500 light years. Since this distance is so large, it's simpler to express it in light years than in kilometers. For those of you who are familiar with scientific notation, you can also write the calculations in this form. Either way, the result is the same, 1,500 light years. The light year is definitely a unit of distance. However, it can still give us information about time. The closest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri, is just over 4 light years away. This means that the light from Proxima Centauri takes about 4 years to reach our eye. We see this star as it was 4 years ago. This is why we can say that the starry sky is the window to the past.